Ethereum cost especially equivalent to $1,868.40 a coin in a very huge manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,856.56 $1,873.51, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The earlier day close, $1,871.77, which especially is genuinely huge. The change was 3.37, 0.18% in an unobtrusive way. Backwards rate, USD to ETH, or so they basically thought. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which is very huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $19.13, by and large most extreme $20.47, sort of least $17.79, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 5, cost $18.73, all things considered, most extreme 2004, sort of least $17.42, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $18.35, especially greatest 1963, especially least 1707, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $18.51, greatest 1981, beautiful least 1721 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $18.35, certainly greatest 1963, for the most part least 1707, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $18.77, essentially greatest 2008, for the most part least 1746, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $18.77, essentially most extreme 2008, fundamentally least 1746 in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $19.02, sort of greatest 2035, kind of least 1769, which by and large shows that the change sort of was 3.37, 0.18% in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $18.81, fundamentally most extreme 2013, sort of least 1749 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $18.69, truly greatest 2000, for the most part least 1738 in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $18.95, genuinely most extreme 2028, exceptionally least 1762, by and large further appearance how the earlier day close, 1,871.77, which fundamentally is very huge. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 19, cost $18.03, really most extreme 1929, sort of least 1677, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $18.09, exceptionally most extreme 1936, especially least 1682 in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost $16.65, most certainly greatest 1782, truly least 1548, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $16.88, lovely greatest 1806, fundamentally least 1570, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $16.53, especially most extreme 1769, especially least 1537, showing that in multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $18.35, really greatest 1963, kind of least 1707, which truly is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $16.75, genuinely most extreme 1792, truly least 1558, showing how Ethereum value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $16.68, exceptionally greatest 1785, essentially least 1551 incredibly. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $17.41, kind of greatest 1863 in every way that really matters, least 1619, which in a real sense is very huge. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost $18.28, most extreme 1956, truly least 1700 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $18.54, truly greatest 1984, sort of least 1724, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $18.35, really greatest 1963, fundamentally least 1707 in an especially significant way. USD to ETH conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 0.5352 coins per $1,000, exhibiting how essentially reverse rate, USD to ETH, which truly is very critical. Today, S reach 0.5338 minus 0.5386 in an every way that really matters, significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.5343, showing how in about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $18.69. By and large most extreme 2000, exceptionally least 1738 in a genuinely significant way. Change for now plus 0.0009, plus 0.17%. Further appearance how Ethereum gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $18.03. Lovely greatest 1929, especially least 1677, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which generally shows that USD to ETH swapping scale truly equivalent to 0.5352 coins per $1,000, exhibiting how especially backwards rate, USD to ETH, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.523 coins, extremely greatest 0.562, in every way that really matters, least 0.489, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 0.534 coins, most extreme 0.574, kind of least 0.499, exhibiting that Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $19.02, kind of greatest 2035, truly least 1769, which truly shows that the change explicitly was 3.37, 0.18% in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 0.545 coins, most certainly greatest 0.586, especially least 0.509 in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.540 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.581, fundamentally least 0.505, which essentially is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.545 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.586, in every practical sense, least 0.509. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.533 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.573, kind of least 0.498 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, May 12, cost 0.533 coins, really most extreme 0.573, all things considered, least 0.498, which especially is genuinely critical. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 0.526 coins, especially greatest 0.565, truly least 0.491. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.532 coins, lovely greatest 0.572, kind of least 0.497 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14